like to thank for joining this video and thanks for joining this channel. Firstly, I give my introduction. My name is Ashraf. I am 12 years old. I am from SMB. It means I speak English. So, we all know my topic is very beautiful. That is unity is strength. So, without wasting time, let's get started. If our soldiers are not united, they can't protect our nation. Because they believe in this beautiful feature. Unity is also the symbol of power. Because if a group of buffaloes are united, a lion can't defeat them. With unity, we can solve any problem of this world. Because unity gives us strength to fight with any obstacles. Unity occurs when a group of people stay together. Only a united family is called the greatest and strongest family. A class becomes a class because a lot of students study together. We all know sometimes two friends fighting with each other, but they also help in the case of emotional situation. No doubt about the fact that is the line of strength in unity. There are many stories, real incidents, and experience to prove this. And this is our responsibility to maintain this unique future. I hope I could make you understand about it. So my dear friends, believe on it and act on this. Actually, this is my new video, so I need your support and love. Please like this video and subscribe, and don't forget share this video. Thanks.